and welcome to another Disney Store box opening. I do like these days. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and pull! Did that with one hand, but there you go. I am just about to open the box. Okay, let's go lucky dip. Let's see what we got. First out is candy apple Disney pins. It's a mystery pack. It's even more of a mystery when Disney put the label on the back. Next up we have another candy apple mystery pin pack. Try again. Oh, another one. Let's see what else we got. This is cool. This is the Headless Horseman fig pen. Can't really see it properly because of the reflection, but that's nice. Next in, another candy apple. Okay, and let's go around. Right, we have here, and I don't care, I'm sad, so what? A Stitch hoodie. Let's see, a 6261. I'll open it up in a minute. Anything else in the box? Let's see. Another Headless Horseman. I did get Kathie one. Anything else? I do like these boxes. Rummage round. Ooh. And last thing. Candy apple mystery pins. Cool. So that's all for our Disney Store haul. Until the next time. Pixie dust.